How to reduce your battery usage on your laptop. If your Windows computer battery keeps draining too quickly, I'm going to show you a few simple steps you can take to save battery life. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings, then click to open it. On the left-hand side, select System, then click on Display. Here, reduce your screen brightness. The lower you set it, the longer your battery will last. Once you've adjusted the brightness, click on System again in the left-hand panel and choose Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, click the drop-down arrow next to both Plugged In and On battery, and select Best Power Efficiency for both. This setting will help your laptop use less energy. Next, open the Energy Recommendations section by clicking the drop-down arrow. You'll see several suggestions for improving battery life. Go through each recommendation and apply them one by one to get the best results. Finally, click on Apps in the left-hand menu and then select Startup. These are all the apps that automatically run when your computer starts up. Since background apps can drain your battery, go through the list and disable as many as possible. You'll notice that most of them don't need to be running all the time. Once you've done that, restart your computer. Your laptop should now have much better battery performance and last significantly longer between charges.